I bought $700 worth of accessories for the iPhone 16 Pro. Let's find out if they're worth it or not. Before anything else, get a screen protector. The iPhone 16 Pro has a ProMotion Super Retina OLED display, which is incredibly vibrant and produces sharp colors. But getting it repaired can definitely put a hole in your pocket. So applying a screen protector as soon as you get the phone is a smart choice. I'm using this Bank screen protector, which not only protects the display from scratches, but it also has an oleophobic coating that minimizes fingerprints, smudges, and a sapphire coating which makes this screen protector highly scratch resistant. Next up is a protective case. I've been using this iPhone 16 Pro for almost a year now, and you can see it still looks pristine with zero scratches. That's because I've been using it with a case. It provides solid protection without adding bulk to the phone. It's got a metal rail around the camera to protect the lenses, a scratch-resistant Kevlar fiber design, and even has a properly functioning camera control button. What's more is that it's MagSafe compatible, so I can attach other MagSafe accessories to it. But if you want something lighter and minimal, then you can go with this Bank's Armor Grid. It's a lightweight case with almost no bulk and proper protection. iPhones don't come with a charging adapter, and choosing the right one matters. I personally stick to this 35-watt dual USB-C adapter from Apple. It safely charges my phone at maximum speed, and the dual USB-C port lets me charge other devices like my MacBook at the same time. I don't need to carry a separate adapter for multiple devices. I can just carry this one and keep all my devices powered up without compromising the charging speeds or the battery life. Another accessory that I use very frequently is a dual USB 3.2 flash drive with a U-shaped USB-C adapter. The 16 Pro can shoot high bitrate videos, and storage fills up faster than you'd think. But with this flash drive, I can keep recording 4K videos without running out of storage. And I can also shoot ProRes videos since it requires an external storage anyway. This U-shaped adapter lets the flash drive sit neatly at the back of the phone without taking any extra space. It also lets me quickly transfer large files from my phone to my desktop, and it's so much easier to carry than a full-size SSD. So, if you also shoot a lot of content and are looking for a portable storage solution, then definitely consider a fast flash drive and a USB adapter like this one. I think it's definitely one of the best and essential iPhone accessories for videos and vlogging. You'll find the link for all these accessories in the description or pinned comment. Now, I shoot a lot of videos outside with my 16 Pro, and using the camera continuously drains the most amount of battery. But it doesn't bother me since I carry this MagSafe power bank with me. It's a 10,000 mAh power bank that can fully charge my 16 Pro twice. It offers 15-watt MagSafe charging, 20-watt wired charging with a USB-C port, and 22.5-watt wired charging with a USB-A port. If you also struggle with battery issues, or if you're looking for a portable charging solution that is sleek, wire-free, and reliable, then you can definitely consider getting a MagSafe power bank like this one. Next up is my most used MagSafe accessory. It's the MagSafe phone grip with a phone stand. The iPhone 16 Pro is no doubt a handy phone, but it's not drop-proof. However, with the help of this slim MagSafe phone grip, it becomes 99% drop-proof. It securely snaps to the back of the phone, and it has a 360-degree rotatable magnetic pop socket, which makes your grip more secure. And even if I let go, the phone stays in my palm. It honestly prevents accidental drops better than any other phone grip I've tried. It even doubles as a sturdy phone stand to prop up the phone at any angle you like. Honestly, I'm not a fan of MagSafe wallets, but I've been using this one quite frequently. This MagSafe wallet snaps securely, and it can hold up to 3 cards inside, and they don't come out no matter how much it shakes. Even if I have just one card in there, it's not gonna come out on its own. To take them out, you have to remove the wallet and push the cards from the back side, which makes it more secure. And it has a built-in RFID blocking tech, so scammers or thieves can't steal your payment info. It has a scratch-proof texture design on the back, and it doubles as a phone stand, which is super handy. Whenever I'm traveling light, this is my go-to. And as far as audio accessories go, AirPods are still the best earbuds for iPhone. They offer the smoothest experience, instant pairing, seamless switching, and excellent mic quality. I've been using mine for calls, editing, and gaming, and my experience has been great. The mic quality is so good that Apple even lets you use these AirPods as wireless microphones. The sound sample that you're hearing right now is being directly recorded from these AirPods. So if you're in the Apple ecosystem, AirPods are still hard to beat. And for comparison, this is the sound quality which is being directly recorded on the iPhone 16 Pro. Next up is the Apple Watch. Well, technically it's a separate device, but the way it integrates with the iPhone makes it feel like an extension of it. I mostly use it to check notifications and receive calls without picking up my phone. The Apple Watch tracks my workouts accurately, lets me control music during activities, and even tracks my sleep and health metrics with remarkable accuracy. In my day-to-day usage, the Apple Watch genuinely boosts productivity. And if you have an Apple Watch, then you can also go for this charging adapter. It lets me charge my Apple Watch without the charger using my iPhone 16 Pro or any Type-C port. Just plug it in, put your Apple Watch on top, and it starts charging. It's a neat little portable charging solution for the Apple Watch. Now, to keep my smartphone and all the gizmos squeaky clean, I use this 20-in-1 cleaning kit. It has a wide range of precision tools, brushes, scrapers, and dust blower, so it really offers everything you need to clean any of your gadgets. It even has a microfiber cloth, a cleaning fluid spray, and a keyboard key remover. Every little tool is neatly organized, so nothing gets misplaced. And it's highly compact and portable. This kit is an all-in-one portable solution for keeping my smartphone and gadgets clean, and it's quite affordable. The last accessory on the list is the 3-in-1 MagSafe charging dock. It has a 22.5-watt MagSafe charger on the front for my iPhone, an Apple Watch charging dock at the top, and a secondary wireless charging pad at the bottom for charging AirPods or another phone. It can charge all 3 devices at once, eliminating the mess of cables. It looks neat, feels premium, and keeps my desk clutter-free. If you also want a clean and minimal desk setup or you hate wire clutter, then you can definitely consider getting a charging hub like this. And that's it. These are the best accessories for the iPhone 16 Pro that I also personally use. If you enjoyed the video, then leave a like and subscribe to Gizmo Rush for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.